This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 3rd of August. I'm Michael Groff. Dry and hot will be the story for the next few days. The monsoon on vacation. Shower and thunderstorm activity confined to the higher terrain, and even at that, only isolated storms possible. But moisture, at least to some degree, should return this weekend with temperatures trending downward. All right, let's talk about it. First, yesterday, 109 degrees, the afternoon high, 89 was the morning low. And that is certainly above those normals of 106 and 85. Taking a look outside now at 9:30 a.m., the sun's shining, and we are sitting at 95 degrees at Sky Harbor, but it is muggy. Dew point at 65, relative humidity 37%. The winds are light, and the barometer is steady. The upper air look shows high pressure sitting to the west of us. A dry northwesterly flow is in place that will keep thunderstorms suppressed. And you might think, well, if high pressure is sitting out there and we have this dry northwesterly flow, why is it so muggy out? That's just shallow surface moisture that will be mixing out as we go through the rest of the day today. Humidity levels will trend down. Here's the watch warning map, and our old familiar friend, the excessive heat warning, is in effect until 8 p.m. tomorrow evening. This includes the Phoenix metro area as well as much of southwest, western Arizona, southeast California, and up into southern Nevada. And some of those hottest desert spots out there to our west could push up toward 115 degrees or so. Elsewhere, we do have heat still a problem up in parts of the northwest. Air quality alerts continue in the northern plains states. The convective outlook for today, a couple of marginal risk areas for severe storms in the Pacific Northwest. Parts of Arizona in the green. A few thunderstorms are possible in the higher terrain, but they will stay far away from us. Here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through next Tuesday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix, generally under 1/4 of an inch. And across much of the state, the numbers are trending downward as well, as there's a lot of uncertainty out here for the weekend and as we get into next week. And we'll talk about this as we dive into modeling. Here we go, the GFS, the 06Z run at 2 o'clock today. Again, high pressure sits to the west of us, and that dry northwesterly flow aloft should help to keep the monsoon moisture and the thunderstorms away from us. So down at the surface today, sunny and hot. Highs this afternoon, 108 to 111. Hottest desert spots of southwest Arizona, southeast California, up toward 115 degrees. Tonight we are clear, dry, overnight lows mainly in the 80s. Tomorrow, sunny, maybe even a degree hotter with highs 109 to 112. On Thursday, we are mostly sunny and hot. Highs 107 to 110. And again, the hottest desert spots, hotter than that. But we do start to see the pattern changing a bit as we get to Friday and heading into the weekend. High pressure is going to start to get suppressed in favor of troughing building over the Pacific Northwest. And there is an inverted trough that's sliding westward across Mexico. And so we will see an increase in moisture gradually from the east. Partly cloudy on Friday. High temperatures trend down a couple of degrees. And there will be some widely scattered showers and storms in the mountains, and a couple of those might make it into the lower desert, but we'll keep the forecast dry at least for Friday. By the weekend, at least a small chance we could see a storm in here on Saturday, with highs closer to 100 degrees. On Sunday, upper 90s to near 100 with a 30% chance of showers and storms in here. But the models continue to trend drier with each successive run, and the reason for that is high pressure is going to continue to be pushed to the south. Troughing will be further to the north, more of a westerly flow in place. This inverted trough probably will not have nearly the extent, the northern reach that we thought it would, so moisture will be somewhat more limited. I still think there will be enough moisture and dynamic support for widely scattered showers and thunderstorms, but that's going to be about it. On Monday, still a slight chance of a shower or storm in here, but most of the activity should be confined to the higher terrain, and high temperatures a little bit below average. Then a week from today, this is Tuesday, the 10th of August, and this looks like a copy-paste right out of 2020. High pressure building over the northeast Pacific. Downstream from that, we've got shortwave energy in the Pacific Northwest and the northern Rockies, and what that does is it suppresses our subtropical or monsoon ridge further to the south, and that turns the flow aloft here southwesterly or even westerly at times, keeping monsoon moisture away from us, and the thunderstorm chances stay far away as well. So this could be relatively dry for us if this works out, but there is some model discrepancy here. Then as we go out 10 days, this is Thursday, the 12th of August, and 597 ridge over the northeast Pacific with shortwave energy downstream from that, mainly north of Arizona. Our monsoon subtropical ridge is well off to the east and suppressed, and we are not really under its influence all that much. More of a southwesterly flow in here. But having said all of that, the GFS is still showing some moisture around. Scattered showers and thunderstorms would be about because of the potential of a tropical disturbance to the southwest of us. And the GFS has been kind of showing that, advertising a continuation of very active tropical weather in the East Pacific, which is what we've had all season down there. So a southwesterly flow might tap into that, but it's just too early to tell any of that right now. The one thing that does seem evident in a pattern like this is that temperatures would likely be at or below normal levels. Taking a look at rainfall for Phoenix over the next couple of weeks, coming off of the GFS ensemble. And there's still quite a bit of model spread here. The ensemble mean is around an inch, and certainly out there toward 10 days and beyond, that's where the pattern turns a bit more active, and likely we start to see more rain. And that kind of jives with what the Climate Prediction Center has for us as we go to mid-August as well. We'll just have to see. And temperatures off the European ensemble, very hot today, tomorrow, Thursday, and then we will trend it down as we get to the weekend and beyond, with high temperatures staying at or below average through mid-August if this works out. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe, stay cool and hydrated out there. Watch your kids around the swimming pool and have yourselves a terrific Tuesday.